Hello and welcome. My name is Kwong. Have you ever wanted to build a personal computer? Well, the PC Building Program is here to help. Customers who attend this event at Fairfax County Public Library will take apart and rebuild a computer under guidance from experienced staff. And believe me when I say that anyone can do it. In fact, I'm going to build this computer up right now just to show how straightforward and accessible building a PC can be. Okay, so that took about 20 minutes to build, and finally we're going to start it up to see if it works. And there we have it. The computer started up. So the Build a PC program will open up soon for signups, so keep an eye on our website. And for other library events at Fairfax County Public Library, please check out our events page linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.